Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni has expressed strong resentment towards the World Bank, alleging that the institution is attempting to manipulate the government's decisions by using financial leverage in response to the nation's controversial anti-gay legislation. Museveni's remarks came on the heels of an announcement made by the lender, declaring a suspension of new loans to the East African country due to its enactment of what is considered one of the world's most severe laws targeting LGBTQ communities. The World Bank's stance on the matter is rooted in its assertion that Uganda's Anti-Homosexuality Act fundamentally contradicts the institution's core values. Consequently, the World Bank has temporarily halted the presentation of new public financing proposals to its board of directors for the country. However, Museveni, who signed the law in May, made his sentiments clear on Twitter. In his post, he stated that Ugandans will develop with or without loans, underscoring his nation's determination to progress independently. The president's statement took a firm stand against external pressure, affirming Uganda's commitment to its faith, cultural heritage, principles, and sovereignty. He criticized the World Bank and other external actors for what he perceived as attempts to manipulate Uganda's course of action by wielding financial influence. Museveni emphatically stated that his country is adept at resolving its societal challenges and doesn't require external coercion. While Museveni's message remained steadfast in defense of Uganda's stance, he also mentioned that discussions between Uganda and the World Bank were ongoing. Despite this willingness for dialogue, Museveni emphasized the need to avert any diversion from their intended path. This response underscores the complexity of the situation and the delicate balance between external pressures and national values. Despite international opposition, the Ugandan government remains unwavering in its position, with the legislation enjoying broad support in the predominantly Christian nation. Many lawmakers in Uganda defend the law as a vital defense against perceived Western moral decadence. In light of the World Bank's decision, Uganda's health ministry has issued a circular reiterating the importance of ensuring that no individual is denied medical services. The statement affirms that healthcare providers must not discriminate or stigmatize any individual seeking medical care, irrespective of reasons, gender, religion, tribe, economic status, or sexual orientation. This move aims to address concerns that arose following the enactment of the new law, including fears that members of the LGBTQ community seeking medical treatment might face reporting to law enforcement by healthcare providers or might be hesitant to seek medical attention due to concerns about potential stigmatization. The Anti-Homosexuality Act has drawn widespread international criticism. Notably, the United Nations, foreign governments including the United States, and various human rights organizations have denounced the law's provisions, such as designating aggravated homosexuality as a capital offense and imposing severe penalties, including life imprisonment, for consensual same-sex relations. U.S. President Joe Biden strongly called for the repeal of the measures, characterizing them as a grievous violation of universal human rights, and even threatened to reduce aid and investment in Uganda. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.